Salah, 5 times daily, is the practice of formal worship in Islam. Jummah, the term Mi'raj in Islam, the ascension of the Prophet Muhammad into heaven. In this tradition, Muhammad is prepared for his meeting with God by the archangels Jibril, Gabriel, and Michael, one evening. They wash him in a pool situated between the 2 portals leading respectively to Al-Isra and Al-Miraj. Then Jibril takes him on the back of a winged mythical creature called Buraq, with which they depart from Mecca and arrive in less than a wink at the Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem. From there, Muhammad and Jibril ascend to heaven. Possibly by ladder or staircase, Al-Miraj, where they are met by other prophets. Muhammad, who has been invested with prophethood only over Mecca, now becomes a prophet for the whole of humanity. On the way to the throne of God, Muhammad and Gabriel enter the first heaven and proceed through all 7 levels until they reach the throne of God. Along the way, they meet Adam, Yahya, John, Sa, Jesus, Yusuf, Joseph, Idris, Harun, Aaron, Musa, Moses, and Abraham, among other prophets. They also visit hell and paradise. Musa alone, of all the inhabitants of heaven, speaks at any length to the visitors. He tells them that Muhammad is more highly regarded by God than himself, and that Muhammad's following will outnumber his own. Once Muhammad appears before God, there is some question as to whether he actually saw him. He is told to recite the Salat, ritual prayer, 50 times each day. Musa, however, advises Muhammad to plead for a reduction of the number as being too difficult for believers. So the obligation is eventually reduced to 5 prayers each day. At the throne of God, Muhammad receives prophethood in its entirety, including the law of the Salawat, and he becomes the seal of the prophets. That is, no other prophet will come after him. The Miraj then returns to earth with even greater knowledge and authority than he had before. Thank you for watching this episode. If you want to learn more about the Sirah of the Prophet Muhammad, please subscribe to the channel.